Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Apple CarPlay is probably one of the most revolutionary in-car infotainment systems ever created, seamlessly integrating your iPhone's functionalities into your car's dashboard, offering a user-friendly interface for navigation, communication, music, and more, all while keeping your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel, making every drive safer and more enjoyable than ever before. Number 5. PASLDA 7-Car Stereo. It supports both wired and wireless connections for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Enjoy easy access to navigation, calls, messages, and music, all while keeping your hands on the wheel. It boasts Bluetooth connection to car speakers for superior sound quality. You can also use the FM transmitter, or the built-in speaker for flexible audio options. Mirror your Android or iOS device wirelessly. Sync video apps and enjoy YouTube, TikTok, and more on its large screen. You can even customize the boot logo. It features a 1024 by 600 resolution 2.5D HD touchscreen. Enjoy crisp visuals, even in bright sunlight, and watch videos in 1080p. The included waterproof HD backup camera provides clear visibility, even at night. Parking will be easier and safer than ever before. We're committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 12-month replacement warranty, and lifetime technical support. What we like. It offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for a seamless connection. Its high-definition touchscreen ensures easy navigation and viewing. If you value convenience and a crisp display, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Setup was incredibly easy, just plug it in, and it's ready to go. No complicated wiring or tools required. The touchscreen is bright, responsive, and user-friendly, making navigation effortless. I use this exclusively with Apple CarPlay, and it works flawlessly. The wireless connection is seamless, allowing me to access maps, music, and calls without any issues. For $60, I wasn't expecting much, but I'm very impressed by it. Setup was easy, the mounting hardware is sturdy and very adjustable, works seamlessly with my existing Bluetooth-enabled head unit, the touchscreen is responsive and audio quality is no different than before, which is great. Number 4. 9.3 Portable Car Radio with Dashcam. It captures clear footage day and night. Its wide-angle lens and loop recording give you peace of mind. You can even adjust the camera angle. Effortlessly use your favorite apps like Google Maps and Spotify. It supports Bluetooth calls and voice control with Siri and Google Assistant for a safer drive. Wirelessly stream audio, games, and videos from your phone. It also supports a backup camera for added safety, sold separately. Enjoy Bluetooth music and hands-free calls. The split screen shows the front view and your apps simultaneously, improving safety. Simply plug it into your car's cigarette lighter. It's compatible with most cars and installs in a minute. It offers multiple mounting options. It has built-in speakers, plus AUX and FM radio outputs. The high-definition touchscreen makes everything easy to use. Due to the recent iOS 17.2 update, AirPlay might not work. Check for software updates if you experience issues. What we like. This option includes a built-in dashcam for added safety and security. It's also incredibly easy to install, fitting most cars in minutes. If you prioritize safety and a quick setup, this is the one for you. What people say. CarPlay adapter does a great job. Takes a few seconds to connect and you might need a try or two to get it set up with your phone. Screen is bright and wide aspect ratio has a more modern feel. AirPlay receiver, tested this and it works. Watch movies from your phone while parked. Backup cam additional purchase required, another great feature that is worth setting up. Number 3. Jataza 9 Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Screen. Effortlessly connect your smartphone wirelessly. Make calls, listen to music, and use GPS navigation with Siri or Google Assistant. It's perfect for staying connected on the go. Enjoy breathtakingly clear front and rear views. The 4K dashcam captures every detail, while the 1080p backup camera provides a crisp image when reversing. A 64GB SD card is included. It automatically saves driving videos, overriding old footage when the card is full. The G sensor locks important videos in case of a collision, protecting them from being overwritten. The front camera's optical sensor lens adjusts to changing light conditions. This ensures a clear view, protecting your eyes from harsh lighting, whether it's sunny or you're in a tunnel. Enjoy wireless screen mirroring from your iOS or Android phone on the 9-inch HD touchscreen. Watch videos or let the kids enjoy cartoons during your trips. Note: Netflix is not supported. Installation is simple, no car disassembly is needed. It's powered by a cigarette lighter and is plug-and-play, compatible with most cars. Choose between a suction cup or base bracket for mounting. What we like. Boasting a 4K dashcam and 1080p backup camera, it provides superior video quality. The optical sensor lens adjusts to various lighting conditions. If you need top-notch recording capabilities, this is your best bet. What people say. The wireless system works very well for this. The display of the screen could be just a bit brighter in the daytime, personally, but I have never had a situation where it is hard to see the screen contents at all. This infotainment screen is super easy to set up and use. The front dash camera has amazing quality and will auto-record every time you drive. The screen is definitely bright enough for use during the daytime, and auto-adjust brightness for nighttime driving. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you don't have to worry about buying two different products due to compatibility concerns. The 9 wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto screen with a 4K dash cam by Jataza is an exceptional piece of technology that seamlessly integrates into your driving experience. The device's standout feature is undoubtedly its crisp 4K front camera, which, coupled with a 1080p rear camera, provides unparalleled clarity and detail for both driving footage and safety. The HD touchscreen display is a joy to use, offering intuitive navigation through various apps and settings. Number 2. DriveMate CarPlay Navigation. Enjoy the seamless connection between your iPhone and car's infotainment system. Access your apps, maps, and features effortlessly through the touchscreen or Siri voice commands. Experience the convenience of Android Auto, mirroring your phone's features on your car's display. Use voice commands or the touchscreen for easy access. Wireless connection is compatible with Android 11 and above. This device functions as a dash cam, providing 2.5K HD front and 1080p rear camera footage. Simultaneously view both for enhanced safety. Get precise, real-time positioning and GPS navigation guidance through your car's speakers. Enjoy voice-guided directions and real-time route suggestions. Connect your phone via Bluetooth and enjoy audio through your car's speakers. It also offers AUX input and FM transmission for versatile audio options. Installation is simple, just plug it into your dashboard cigarette lighter. It's compatible with most vehicles, maintaining your original car radio. What we like. It features a high-resolution 2.5K front and 1080p rear camera system. Wireless CarPlay integration makes for easy and convenient access to your phone's features. If you need excellent video recording and seamless phone integration, this is ideal. What people say. From flawless Apple CarPlay to navigation, podcasts, and even front and back cameras, this product has truly transformed my driving experience. My car, lacking any smart technology or backup camera, now boasts features comparable to my wife's 2017 Honda Pilot. Functionality and screen quality is excellent. Number 1. 7 Wireless CarPlay Screen. It seamlessly connects to your iPhone or Android phone via Bluetooth. Access your phone's features, such as contacts, maps, and music, all on the screen. Enjoy a safe and convenient driving experience with voice control and hands-free calling. Listen to music wirelessly, make hands-free calls, and get turn-by-turn directions. It integrates with third-party map apps for your preferred routes, showing you points of interest along the way. Please note that it does not have built-in GPS. It mounts easily to your car's center console. Compatible with most vehicles, it works without rewiring or replacing parts. It's a simple upgrade that seamlessly integrates with your existing car radio. Connect it directly to your car's Bluetooth for high-quality audio from CarPlay and Android Auto through your car's speakers. You can also use a AUX, FM transmitter, or the built-in speaker for audio output. It features a clear 7-inch IPS touchscreen with high resolution. The intuitive touchscreen makes it easy to use, and it supports 1080p video playback for movies and more. What we like. This device offers both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Its simple plug-and-play installation makes setup a breeze. If you want a simple, easy-to-use system, this is a great option. What people say. Works very well and is easy to set up. It works through your phone through the phone's Bluetooth connection to the radio, so your car entertainment system must be on at a comfortable beginning volume and your phone must have a Bluetooth connection to your car's system. Once connected, you have a nice screen showing some of your iPhone apps. The screen is bright, adjustable, and easy to read with good touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.